Alright, let's get started. Let's see what we got here. Looks like we're gonna have to do a little bit of this is actually not a new TV, it's a refurbished one. So hopefully it's back to its they repaired it or whatever damages it may have. So it works like normal, like it should. I think it's about 30 pounds worth. Okay, so give me a second. I think I'm going to do like this. Okay. It's all here. This is actually the power cord and the remote. I don't think it has batteries in it, but lucky for that, I have batteries, so we'll be alright. So let's play this very smart. Because I know as soon as I pull it up, the box is going to come with it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this whole entire part off. And it's easier without it dropping. Okay? So the dozen are screwed. Yep, we good, thank God. Alright, now what we gotta do is get rid of all this clutter so that I can have a one-on-one with the TV and screw the stands. The stands are actually not, they have a metal finish to it. Yeah, it feels metal. As you can see, I thought it was plastic, but it's not. It's metal. Metal, aluminum, I suppose. Maybe we'll go into that category. Alright, I got it now. Where I got the stand, I can put it up there. Alright, I don't want to. Doing the stand. I hope you guys can see from there. Let's see if I can get it closer. I'm just gonna put the stand. You guys don't need to see everything in detail, do you? It's supposed to be like that. Yep. Let's see this. And it already comes with batteries. Surprise. Why would it leave it in the controller? Wouldn't it drain better that way? Alright, I think this type of control where you have to open the whole entire thing kind of nerve-wracking sometimes. You see what I'm saying? I'm used to just opening this area only. That is cheap product, by the way. That is very cheap to do. Like the way they designed the control is very cheap. Like. But I guess can't complain for what the price was.